do any type of yoga or strength training?
I do, but not nutrition.
Okay, but you're still a relatively flexible person?
Yeah, pretty much. Okay. I just did a Cleveland half marathon, so like running was like a big half, so now I need to get back.
That's awesome. All right. Well, I'm going to have Greg go and cut the C-tube here because these come in a stock length and they're pretty long. So unless your legs are about a mile long.
Are we recording?
Now we're recording.
Hi!
Hi everybody. Tri-Eric and Triceratops here at Spin Bike Shop.
Yes.
We're taking a look at Triceratops' new bike.
I'm just drooling over it.
She's drooling over it. You know, we're gonna have to clean it up a little bit later on. You know, but we're gonna get her fitted on this bike.
Yes.
You know, she's gonna be riding fast through the flatlands of Ohio, getting ready for Steelhead. So we're gonna get her on the bike and get her fitted up.
Yep.
We'll talk to you a little bit.
Thanks, Eric, for filming it.
Yay!
They did a couple of contests, and so I decided to put my hat in the ring because we had to commit to going down to Wisconsin this month, which I was planning on doing anyway because they have a big training weekend, and then you have to race Steelhead, and I had already signed up for that, so I was like, let's give it a shot. So,
Where's Steelhead again?
Michigan, Southwest Michigan. Never raced it, so. Yeah, so it's 4.5 hours away. And, but yeah, just threw an entry in and worked out.
Worked out really well.
Yeah.
All right, so neutral position on the shoe.
Okay.
I'm aligning the cleat part, with the heel of the shoe so that it's straight. Depending on how your foot naturally cants side to side, we may end up changing this. Moving the cleat pretty far back, because if it's right under the ball of the foot, it's going to cause some discomfort. But also sticking the cleat right in the middle of the bolts. So, you know, we can change your stance width on the bike by moving the cleat laterally.
Okay.
So right now everything's neutral.
Okay.
Probably end up changing it, but it's a good starting point.
Okay.
I'm actually going to pick this thing up. So I'm going to have you pedal at certain wattages for it.
Okay.
So the shifters up here, they're not anything crazy. Basically, they put it down.
Very different.
Oh yeah.
Then you lift it up.
You got it.
Oh. Okay, there we go.
And SRAM's they've got a really strong spring in the rear derailleur, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I mean when you click it, it's very positive. SRAM makes awesome equipment.
Yeah, I'm very excited about this stuff. I feel like Christmas today. I can already tell it's so different than my other bike.
For real. So it's a little long now, and we're going to end up cutting things.
Okay.
So go ahead and ride in the Pursuit.
Not like jumping around like my bike does.
You mean the gears? Gears jumping around?
Gears, I never really know what I'm going to get on my other bike. Oh, great.
Right?
Oh, okay.
How's resistance? Is it the bigger end? Is it too much, or is it
It's a little more than used to.
more than used to? Okay.
Lots of power, right?
Fast spike, whatever.
Yeah, exactly. Well, then it's gotta help me a little.